Another Hockey Fights Cancer Night on the calendar means another opportunity to visit with the president and CEO of Roswell Park. That is Dr. Candace Johnson. It is great to see you. And we are in a different location. This has me very excited to learn even more about what is happening here at Roswell. Tell us where we're at specifically.
So we're in the laboratory of Dr. Rainier Brenchens. This is a lab. There are many labs here at Roswell Park that look exactly like this, but this is like where the action happens. This is it.
And from a standpoint of how does it continue to happen? How does the research take that next step? There are kind of markers, if you will, along the way. Exceptional status.
Yes.
What does that mean for Roswell Park, that designation that then allows more and more research in newer areas here in this footprint of Roswell Park to, be impactful?
So I know this has been in the news, but we were ranked and rated by the National Cancer Institute as exceptional. And what that should mean to everyone is when you look around at sort of the research that we do, the clinical activities that we have, our population science, our risk factors for cancer, our prevention efforts, all of that was rated exceptional. So it says we're doing pretty well.
And I think at this time last year we were talking about expansion, right?
Yes.
Like growth here on campus. So take us through where we're at in that process and what it is translating to.
So this laboratory focuses on looking at cell therapy as a treatment for cancer, and that's using cells of the immune system to fight cancer. And it's an area of very active interest, and in fact, in many acute leukemias and some other diseases, blood diseases, cancer diseases, these cell therapies have led to cures. And so we're in the process of building a facility to prepare these cells to be given back to patients. The really significant aspect about this is that for many individuals, they were going to die of their disease if it weren't for this particular therapy. There's an instance to tell you about of a newborn that was born at Oshai Children's with acute leukemia. The head of our pediatric program here knew about these T cells and what they could do and thought, there is really no other option for this family. We generated these cells, gave them to this infant. She just celebrated her 6th birthday. This little child was cured. Would not have been possible without these cells. That's the power of these cells and cell therapy. And the hope is that these cells that have such curative powers can be applied to cancers that we can't cure right now many times, like pancreatic cancer, some very progressive colorectal cancers, brain cancer. So that's the promise of these cells, and it's very exciting, and it's happening right here at Roswell Park.
Dr. Johnson, on this Hockey Fights Cancer Night, what is your message to the hockey community, Sabres fans, the community at large?
We love hockey. We love hockey. I've always been a big part of the 11-day power play. It's a phenomenal event. I'm sure you've participated, maybe not skated in it, but you've certainly been there because I've seen you there. But whether it's the Empire State Ride or the Ride for Roswell, these are individuals that are really giving of themselves to raise money for the kinds of things that we were just talking about. And so Hockey Fights Cancer is a time for us with the Sabres, who we love, because we use our connection with the Sabres to really connect with people, to get people to listen to us a little bit more about get your screening, pay attention to these signs in your body. And so this is a night for us to come together. It's a special night. We're going to hear a lot of really wonderful stories, and I really look forward to it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Great to see you again.
Great to see you too. Thank you.